Hey guys, this is my Dragon Ball Z collection. There's Kid Goku, Pan, Trunks and Guru, Vegeta and Goku fighting Super Saiyan 2. There's Vegeta again. Kid Goten and Trunks. There's Gohan. There is Trunks again, that's future Trunks. There's Vegeta, Android 18 and 19, Kid Buu, Vegeta Infusion, Super Android 17, Omega Shenron in the Shadow Dragons, Kid Goku and Piccolo, Future Trunks and his Space Pod, and Gotenks Super Saiyan 3, Super Saiyan Goku, Goku Super Saiyan 4 and Baby, Gogeta, Super Saiyan 4 Goku, Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. There's Gogeta, and then Gogeta right there. Third form Freezer, and then Android 17 and 18. Android 18 still in the space, like the pod. And then Goku and Vegeta Super Saiyan 4 Fusion. And then Gogeta Super Saiyan 4. Super Android 17. Noah Shenron. Kid Goku. And Goku Super Saiyan 4. And that is my collection.